Hey, Scentsy fanatics, it's time to smile. And guess what? I'm not on my Scentsy page, so this is nothing to do technically with Scentsy, but I'm cooking, and I thought I would just get on and let y'all see my new recipe, chicken caprese. So, I'm going to flip it around. So, chicken caprese, what you're going to need is 2 big breasts. Don't look at mine. 2 big breasts and tomatoes, mozzarella cheese, some garlic pepper sauce, sour cream, an egg, and the basil pesto. Okay, so I've already made up a couple of them, but you're going to cut into your chicken, not all the way down because we're going to stuff these. So you stuff, I like my pesto, so when I'm doing the pesto, I do mine a little heavy. Not everybody likes it this heavy, so we'll just, that's my husband, just came in. Hi, Jeff. So you get it pretty packed in there. Now, you're going to want to split now I do my tomatoes in an oil, Italian dressing and garlic salt because that's the way my husband likes it. He doesn't like just cooked tomatoes, so, but you want to cut them in half. I've already cut mine and marinated them, and you pair them with 1 piece of the cheese for every, so we're stuffing them in there, and then the cheese gets stuffed in, and some of my tomatoes fell apart, but they are homegrown. So we're stuffing, and we're stuffing, and I'm going to run out of slices. I had everything done ahead of time. It actually makes it much easier when it's done ahead of time. We'll cheat and cut this one in half. I kind of also make it like a little, it's looped over a little, because you want the cheese to stay in the chicken when you cut it. Okay, so we have this ready. Now what I made before was a 1/2 cup of sour cream to an egg. This is our caprese sauce. So, as you see, I've got 3 done. So I'm going to add this one to it. And then with our sauce, make sure your cheese is stuffed in there, because you want the cheese to come out when you cut it, not come out early. Okay, so then you take this sauce and you just basically pour it over it, over the top of it. It's really cool once it comes out, and I'll take a picture when it's done. So you want to heat your oven to 375. This is going to bake about 35. Start checking it at 45 minutes. But there you have chicken caprese. Have a good day. Talk soon.